Gusto mong pumuti pero takot kang mag-take ng gluta. Ito ang dalawang magandang kombinasyon. Ang Zoe Pearl Skin White Tomato. Hindi ito gamot, ito ay supplement. Extracted from white tomato which we know na good for our skin. It contains lycopene, di ba? Na good for heart and our skin. Ito ay may whitening effect, kaya reduce ang dark spot natin at lighten ang skin tone. May antioxidant protection para hindi ma-damage ang skin natin. Improve skin texture para reduce ang dryness at reduce ang melanin production. Ito naman ang supplement na dapat palaging present sa ating daily intake sa ating katawan, ang vitamin C na Zoe. Ang vitamin C are good for our immune system. Like sa ating history ng COVID or any respiratory problem, napaka-essentials nitong ating vitamin C. It promotes fast healing. You will just intake 2 tablets daily. If you want to buy this vitamin C or this pearl white tomato or both, you can check out in my yellow basket this Zoe Vitamin C and Zoe Pearl Skin White Tomato. Better you take the both which is good for our skin. Para happy tayo, always!